Fofolicious is here again, and today I am super excited. But before I tell you why I'm so excited, I want to appreciate everyone who subscribed, liked, shared, and even commented on my last video. Please keep subscribing. More Fofolicious recipes are coming your way. Back to today's recipe. It's local jollof. Yes, that's why I'm so excited, and that's my excitement dance. To be honest with you, my jollof rice is always sold out, but this my local jollof is on another level. I call it premium local jollof. Here are my basic ingredients for today. I have onions, iru, pomo, tomatoes, tatashe, rodo, dried fish, smoked fish, crayfish, stockfish, dried prawn, palm oil, seasoning, garlic, and I also have my local rice. I'm using this packaged local rice for this recipe today. You can use any rice of your choice. We have different types of rice: basmati, sticky rice, long grain, brown rice, or fada rice, and many more. I also have some ugu for my garnishing. It's time to cook. I've prepped all my ingredients. It saves me time and gives me a more relaxing mood while cooking from start to finish. I've removed all the bones in my fish and washed them in warm salt water. It helps clean them so fast. I heat up my pot now. In goes the palm oil. Allow it to get hot but not bleached. Put in the onions just to get the sizzling sound. Add the iru, the seasoning mix, and then the pepper mix. At this point, the crayfish in the pepper mix is doing its job. The whole place is filled with wonderful aroma. I'm adding my pomo. Next, the smoked fish, the stock fish, the dried prawn, and I mix it. It's bubbling and sizzling here, as you can see. Allow the stew to fry properly and keep mixing. Cover and wait. Once the palm oil is showing over the stew, it's time to pour in my water. Cover the pot and let it come to a boil. Yes, it's boiling. I'm putting in my washed rice. Mix very well because I'm not going to disturb the rice and all my seafood. And of course, pomo. I want them to cook steadily. I'm checking now to see the level of water, and it's time to turn down the heat and just let the rice cook on low heat. I can't wait to start mixing. It's looking so good already, and finally it's here. Time to mix, and I'm mixing. Can you see what I'm mixing? Can you see what I'm seeing? Yes, my jollof, my local jollof can't disappoint me. I'm garnishing now with ugu, just a bit. It's optional. We are done here. It's time to serve and enjoy. You can drop down in the comment section and let me know what you think of today's recipe and if you'll give it a try.